Thanks, Bob. Brett Keller coming to you live from the center of the 2016 blizzard, Slabtown, Pennsylvania. Self-proclaimed Slabtown Mayor John Brokenshire warned that animals should be brought inside during this inclement weather. Unless, like him, you own over 100 animals, then they best be left outside. We found local animal lover Georgia Brown. Georgia, what's transpired here?
I woke up to get a cold pop. Oh Lord, it's a blizzard. I ran out to get my chicken. I got bronchitis. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time? Indeed. In other local news, the Slabtown Coliseum has announced the cancellation of the Carly Rae Jepsen concert for this evening. Carly, if you're watching this, call me, maybe. Back to you, Bob.